Glam Fam, I'm back with another tutorial. This is called a soft glam look, and I hope you guys really enjoy this look as it's one of my favorites. So first off, I'm going to start off with my setting spray. It's the MAC Studio FX setting spray, and we're just going to spray that all over my face and let it dry for a bit. I'm next going to go in with my Huda Beauty primer, the Complexion Perfection primer, and I'm just going to put that all over my eyes. Next, I'm going to start off with my Jaclynn palette, and I'm going to be using one of my favorite BH Cosmetics brush. I'm going to go in with a light base color to just set my eyes. I'm going to do that for both eyes. I'm next going to go in with a reddish, pinkish, brown color, and I'm going to put it on my outer lid as I will be cut creasing later on. Next, I'm going to go in with a darker brown and lay that on top of it and blend it out so that you can get that defined kind of smoky eye look. And I'm just going to do that for both of my eyes. I'm next going to go in with my concealer, my Smashbox 24 Hour Studio Skin Concealer. And I'm just going to put that on my lid and not define the cut crease, but just blend out the concealer so that you can see that there is an edge. And I'm just going to bring it to my outer lash line and blend that in. Next, I'm going to go in with that same darker color again and redefine that outer look. Now I'm just blending it out. Next, I'm going to go in with my Nomad Illuminated highlighting powder, and I'm just going to start from my inner crease and bring that out so you can see that it's shiny and glowing. This is in the shade Midnight Sun. I'm just going to continue to do that for both eyes. I'm next going to go in with a darker brown, kind of red color, and I will just define the cut crease, but I am not going to make it too sharp as I want the blend to still be there in between the lighter color and the darker color. I'm next going to go in with my tattoo liner by Anastasia Beverly Hills, my favorite eyeliner. This is how I do my eyeliner. For many of you that have been asking me, here's a quick tutorial. So I just start and I draw a line, outer, however long you want it to be, and I just bring it in after as I connect it to my lash line, and I just make it as thick as I want depending on the kind of look I'm going for, whether I want it to be dramatic or not, but that's how I do it. And now for my favorite lashes, LASH'D by TD, I am wearing DIVIYA. it off by using my dual glue, and I put it on my lash band, and that's what I'm doing right now. And then I am going to let it dry for a bit. I usually let it sit for at least 10 to 15 seconds as I like the glue tacky so the lashes hold longer. I sometimes use the tool to apply the lashes, but sometimes I don't. I don't know, whenever I feel like using it. And I just stick that directly on my lash line. And I'm just going to do the same thing for the other eye. Next, for my face stuff, I'm going to continue with my primer, my Huda Beauty primer, and just put that all over my face. It's my favorite primer. I'm going to go in with my MAC Studio FX in the shade NC42. And then I'm just going to blend that out with my beauty blender. Next, I'm going to go in with my concealer again and put it on my dark circles or any imperfections I may have. Next, I'm using my e.l.f. contour palette, and I'm just going to define my jawbones. Now using my MAC Hyper Real Glow Kit and putting that on them cheekbones for that highlight. Next, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Lolita, my favorite lipstick. And that is my finished look. I know it's been a long time and I'm finally back on track. I was getting my room all glammed up for you guys. As you can see, my walls are a different color, everything looks different, and I hope you guys are enjoying this new journey with me. I just wanted to make a couple of announcements. So the lashes that I'm wearing today are new lashes. Well, I've worn it before, that's why you can see. When I opened it, it had the glue on it still. But they are from a new lash company that I recently bought from. Her name's Tamara, and these lashes are bomb. I would recommend these lashes to anybody. They're so lightweight. They just add that glam and that pop that you need to your makeup. The ones that I'm wearing right now are DIVIYA, and I suggest you guys all go and check it out. I'm gonna put all the links down below. These lashes, I swear by, I've never bought lashes that I actually want to wear, because usually when I wear lashes I just find it like a task for me, and these lashes, like, I actually enjoy putting on. They just go on, they come off, they don't have a weight underneath your eye. I know some lashes, yeah, they look nice, but they're just a weight, you know, on your eyelid. And these lashes, they look nice and they aren't a weight. And I would recommend these lashes to anybody that likes lashes. Also, I have thought long and hard, and I want to do a giveaway. This giveaway will consist of you guys sharing a picture, and I will then choose a person and that person will get a free makeover. I really wanted to do something that can share my YouTube channel or my business with you guys, and also you guys get something free out of it too, like a makeover by me. So I will be posting more of that on my Instagram, so you guys stay tuned for that. And yeah, so I hope you guys are having a good start to November. The month of October ended really fast and I haven't posted anything. So this time I'm going to be posting and posting and posting. I'm finally back on track. School's about to end. I know things are gonna get busy again, but that won't stop me from posting. Yeah, that's all I have to say for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this look and this little tutorial. I will be posting it soon, just so you know. I'm filming right now, but I'm really excited to edit because I didn't edit in so long. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon and have an amazing week, month, whatever it is, year, end of the year, you know what I'm saying? I also wanted to do more challenges and more pranks, but I wanted to stick to makeup for a little bit because I have a lot of looks in mind that I just want to get out there, and I want to experience with different colors and stuff, so you guys stay tuned for that as well. I will see you guys soon and stay glamorous. Bye!